Hello everyone, it's Arina, and I wanted to share my Fiesta Father's Day party with you. Party planning is always a family affair at our house. Here's my younger son cleaning, and here's my older son making salsa, and they love to help out, and they feel it like it's a rewarding experience knowing that they helped. The other thing that I love to do to make things easier for me is set up my buffet 2 hours, maybe even a day ahead of time, and just put out the dishes that I think that I'm going to use. It makes a big difference. And then I also like to set up my beverage station. This is my bar area in my kitchen. And, a day before I like to put out the things that I'll be using. And then on the day of, I just add some really fun, decorations and accessories. And of course, I add the drinks. Now here's my margarita station with salt and lime juice. And I also have some things for the kids, some beverages that are sodas and non-sodas. And I have some beverage napkins just to make it easier for people to hold things. And then I also have the famous margarita. I also love to have little surprises for my guests. And the margarita was a surprise, but really I love to have this big jug of spa water. And it just depends on my mood what I add to it. This particular party I had lavender, basil, and cucumbers and lemons, and it just turned out delicious, and it's a fun little surprise. I also like to set up my buffet area with tidbit plates and regular plates, as well as silverware and napkins. I loved putting together this Keto Platter. It had salami, it had this fabulous cheese, and lemon feta. Oh, it was fantastic. And then of course pickles. And then we added keto bread. Then I garnished it with basil and cilantro, and then did a little cilantro pop just to make it look festive. It turned out fantastic. The keto bread was so delicious, and everything worked with my husband's keto lifestyle. So this was a platter just for him. For the buffet, I had chicken, I had beef, and a little bit of shrimp because that's what my son likes. And then of course we had all sorts of other delicious sauces and salsas for people to put in their tacos and on top of their chips. It was a huge hit, and it just turned out to be a really colorful and beautiful table. For dessert, we had keto-friendly things, as well as cookies for the kids who were not so keto-friendly. But it all turned out beautiful. Thanks for watching.